You Don't Know How I Feel, and Other Stories from York Union Workhouse, 1864 to 1910. Reclaimed Doctor's Medical Equipment Case, 13 stories and a selection of labelled objects, with text booklet and audio-visual version, by Stephen Lee Hodgkins, 2024. This storytelling suitcase contains 13 stories about disabled people and disability at York Union Workhouse between 1864 and 1910. Each story is accompanied by a selection of objects and an information booklet presented in text and audio-visual format. We invite you to handle and explore each of the objects while reading or listening to the stories. Location: the Marriott Room, York Explore, the 12th, 13th and 14th of July. Description: this artwork is made from a reclaimed doctor's medical equipment case. The case is decorated with various doodles, illustrations and text relating to the 13 stories about disabled people and disability at York Union Workhouse between 1864 and 1910. The case is brown leather, approximately 50 by 25 centimetres, and when opened shows 6 small drawers and a booklet. In each drawer there is an object with a label attached with red wool with the name of one of the 13 stories. The booklet is A5 size, with red wool stitching. The booklet is also presented in an audio-visual format.